This video describes the 4-cross test. This test was made to evaluate the reducibility of the ACL remnant for arthroscopic primary repair. Example 1. In 90 degrees of knee flexion, the ACL remnant is identified and captured with an arthroscopic forceps. Now, the proximal tip of the ligament is lifted, trying to reach its footprint. Reduction is easily achieved. The second step of the test is done putting the knee in a figure-of-4 position. And using the same maneuver, reducibility is tested. Here, we can see that the tip of the ACL reaches its footprint, showing that, in this case, a ligament repair is a viable option. Example 2. As in the previous case, the proximal tip of the ligament is lifted, trying to reach the femoral insertion. As we can see here, we have the first impression that the ligament is repairable. But by testing it in a figure-4 position, it's clear that the ligament does not reach its point of insertion, demonstrating a negative 4-cross test, excluding the possibility of ACL repair.